Hello, fellow travelers. This is Daryl
And Aaron
on Travel with D&E.
D&E.
Today we're taking you on a colorful journey to one of Pittsburgh's most unique attractions, Randyland. Now, Randyland was established in 1998 by Randy Gilson, a self-taught artist with a passion for spreading positivity and joy through his art. What started as a personal project to beautify his neighborhood, grown into a beloved community space that celebrates creativity and individuality.
Over the years, Randyland has become a must-visit destination in Pittsburgh, enchanting visitors with its whimsical and eclectic displays. As you step through the gates of Randyland, you're greeted by a riot of colors and shapes that draws you to explore even further. Everywhere you look, there are sculptures made of recycled materials, signs of inspiration, and everything else in between.
Randyland is not just a collection of art installations, it's a living, breathing work of art that reflects the spirit of its creator. Randy Gilson's vision of creating a space that celebrates diversity, kindness, and joy shines through in every corner of Randyland. His art is a testament to the power of creativity to bring people together and transform communities. Randyland has had a profound impact on the north side community and beyond. It has brought people together, sparked conversations, and inspired creativity in all who visit. Local businesses have thrived thanks to the influx of tourists and residents drawn to Randyland.
The neighborhood has seen a revitalization fueled by the energy and positivity of this unique art installation. Randyland serves as a reminder of the power of art to transform lives and build stronger, more connected communities. As you can see, everywhere you look, there's something amazing. You name it, Randyland's got it.
As we conclude our journey through Randyland, we're struck by the beauty and magic of this special place. Randy Gilson's vision has created a world that transcends boundaries and celebrates the joy of being alive. We encourage you to visit Randyland for yourself. You got to see it in person. Experience the wonder and inspiration it has to offer. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. And look, if you like this video, check out all our other Pittsburgh destination videos. Welcome to Randyland.
You have to see it to believe it.
Along with all our other destinations on Travel with D&E. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe. That way you be part of the Travel with D&E team. Thanks for watching. As always, we will see you in the next video.